Hello sewing people of the internet. I'm the Jason of all trades, and today I'm bringing you another quick sewing tip to help you sew more like a pro. So I'm making this CrossFit style sandbag, and one of the things I need to do is I need to fold the edges that sew to the zipper exactly 1/2 inch, just a single fold hem. And I need that measurement to be reasonably precise because this is going to get sewn to a circle, and I've carefully measured everything so that I don't have wrinkles when I sew the circle to the body. So there's a couple of ways I can measure that fold to keep it consistent, but I'm going to show you a quick way to do it. So in order to achieve a 1/2 inch fold, I need to make a mark 1 inch from this edge. That might sound confusing. You'd think if I mark 1 inch, I'm going to have a 1 inch fold. But what I'll do is mark a line 1 inch from the edge and then fold the edge to that line. And that gives me a 1/2 inch fold. Now I could use a ruler to measure in 1 inch, make a mark, make several marks, and then make a straight line with my straight edge. Or I could do the same thing with your regular sewing measuring tape. And that would work fine. But I learned a method for doing this when I worked in marine canvas, where we just use a straight edge that's exactly 1 inch already, and then all I have to do is put it on the edge and mark my line. And now I've got a 1 inch line to fold my hem to. Hi, excuse me. Thank you. For my straight edge, I use this piece of aluminum bar stock. I wouldn't recommend that you go out and buy one of these if you just need a straight edge for this kind of thing, unless you're making a lot of stuff and probably making money from it. So I ended up paying like $16 for this, which is a lot of money for this purpose. If you're a person like me who has a lot of this kind of stuff in your garage or your shop or wherever, if you can find something that's exactly the measurement that you need, it's a good thing to remember you have so that you can use it for this kind of purpose. It certainly doesn't have to be aluminum. You might have a piece of steel, a piece of wood, a piece of plastic. You know, you can certainly improvise to make this work. It's also probably a good idea to have some shorter pieces. If you tried to do this on a curved piece of fabric, obviously this wouldn't work very well, but with a shorter piece you can move it around the curve and get the same effect. By the way, somebody recently made a comment with a really handy tip for temporarily basting a fold or basting a fabric to a zipper by using a glue stick to do it. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on this fabric. This is a coated 1680 denier ballistic nylon, and I think maybe the coating, it's a urethane coating, and maybe that doesn't work so well. But for other fabrics, that might be a great tip to try. So I hope you found that helpful. I'm going to keep working on this bag so I can get the video for it out. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments section below. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.